Greta gets, because of how her transmission became a girl sitting on the steps of Swedish Parliament, to the transmission that she still is in the world. I mean, she'll walk into rooms and she's hated. Hated. I want you to imagine that. I want you to imagine that there is something that you care enough about, that the integrity of your being is a stand for enough that you can walk into a room where the majority of people will hate you, and you stay on purpose. That's what I'm talking about here. And it doesn't have to be this huge evolutionary purpose. It can be we treat our fellow humans with respect. It can be that when you're watching someone in real time treating another human with disrespect, that you will be a fierce advocate for respect, knowing that you're going to be attacked, hounded, bashed, backlashed, all of. If we don't do this, if we don't take a stand for the things that matter to us at the cost of being liked, all of those other things, then we get the world we have. It happens on our watch. And so this is why I'm so passionate about this particular class, is because this workshop, because I want for you to know what matters to you so much that you'll stand in the face of everything that you fear to stand for what matters to you. That